Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Exness and Exness Go. Exness and Exness Go offer trading services, but they cater to different types of traders. Exness is a robust trading platform offering a wide range of tools for experienced traders. It supports multiple account types including ECN and standard for various trading strategies. With MetaTrader 4x5 integration and enhanced trading app, it provides in-depth market analysis and customization options. The platform excels in offering tight spreads, fast execution, and a variety of financial instruments. It also supports global markets with access to Forex, commodities, and more. However, its complexity may be overwhelming for beginners. Meanwhile, Exness Go is a mobile-focused platform designed for beginners or traders who prefer a simple experience. It offers an intuitive, easy-to-navigate interface, making trading accessible on the go. It supports a limited range of instruments compared to its full version but remains user-friendly with basic trading features. It's perfect for casual traders who don't need advanced chartings or analytics. It provides fast execution and low fees, but the lack of sophisticated tools can limit more experienced traders. It is ideal for those who prioritize convenience and simplicity. In my opinion, Exness is better for advanced traders, while Exness Go is best for beginners. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.